Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to make money on Fiverr. And if you think that it's impossible to become a millionaire, then of course you are mistaken. And today I will prove the opposite to you. Of course, it's impossible to become rich overnight, but it's quite possible to build a strategy that will lead you to the first $1 million. Everywhere there's a certain picture that you can become rich literally in a short period of time, and this is complete nonsense. But in a month, you will get a certain strategy that will begin to bring you initial profit, and step by step, you will start getting more orders and profits. This is quite obvious since today we will talk about making money on Fiverr, and there the algorithms work in such a way that the more orders you get on Fiverr, the faster you go to the top and the more money you earn. So in this video, we'll only look at ways that allow you to reach the level of very high earnings and then step by step approach the $1 million mark. It seems difficult at first, but as I said, you can't make your dream come true overnight, and you need a little more time to achieve financial goals. There are lots of different experts on Fiverr who make money by recording their voice and thereby earn. In addition, if you speak your native language perfectly and have excellent articulation, then you are guaranteed to be one of the leading experts on the subject. To begin with, of course, you need to set very cheap prices for your services so that customers return to you again and again. But let's see which services we can find on Fiverr on this topic. Okay, we will type here record your voice, and we will try to search for some offers. So as you see, the page is loading, and as you see, there are lots of different offers, lots of singers, lots of talented people who make music need these voices because there are some complex compilations in music. There are some translator who need some voices, and they go to Fiverr to make orders here to buy voices on Fiverr. And as you see, there are lots of different orders, gigs, of course. And as you see here, I will record a pro American voiceover for your company to operate it. There are lots of positive reviews. So let's take a closer look at this offer. As you see, it has many positive reviews and 16 orders in queue, and the price is a very good one. So number of words is 100, and when we scroll down, we can see this girl is a member since November 2017, and she has lots of orders, lots of different reviews. 70,000 reviews is a very good number. So I want to say right away that many corporations turn to Fiverr to order voice recordings again and again from the same voiceover expert. That's why this girl can have so many positive reviews and so many orders in queue. And why is this happening? Because companies need the same voice. They cannot change voices and select the other ones. So try to find a dozen of such corporations at the initial stage, and you will already have a decent profit. I'm sure that these companies will order you to record your voice again and again. If you want to learn how to reach a new financial level on Fiverr, you will find all useful links in the description under this video. And we are moving on to the next method on earning on Fiverr. You can create TikTok videos for your customers on Fiverr. This is very easy to do when you have Canva at hand. So I will show you right now how it works. And this software allows you to create videos based on ready-made templates. But first, let's see which gigs are popular on Fiverr. And now we have lots of different gigs where people will create some videos for you. As you see here, I will create TikTok videos, TikTok ads, and here I will create original videos for TikTok, and some of them has lots of positive reviews. So let's try to analyze those gigs. Let's try to see what is inside those gigs, and then we will understand how to create our own gigs to make them popular. So this person has 3 orders in queue, which is quite well. And when we scroll down, this we see this person is 5 years already on Fiverr, and as we see here, he can create high quality TikTok video ads that actually convert, and he served over 770 people, and the price is very high. So you can also try to make at least $500 per month when you register on Fiverr and try to create in such TikTok videos. I will show you right now how you can create such videos without any effort, without any stress, and this is quite easy. When we go to Canva, we can use this amazing tool to create our TikTok videos. When we type in here, for example, TikTok, we see here this TikTok video option. So we will click on this option and we'll be redirected to the list of some different templates, and we can choose from this template the templates that we want. So we can go to the left side, and we can choose here the topic. For example, when we want to make some TikTok ads related to food, so we can click food here, and then we have many different food templates here. So if you want to create your own TikTok ad with your own options, your own backgrounds, etc., you can just click on create a blank TikTok video. But we will try to choose from the list of different templates, and the topic, as I said, is food. So let's see this template as well: yogurt and fruit. Now favorite yogurt. Okay, I don't know why, but I like this yogurt template, and so we can just edit this template a little bit. So this template will suit the needs of our customers on Fiverr. And so we have now this template loading, and so let's see how it goes. So we can click play, and then we will see how it works. But let's wait a little bit. So we can click now play, and so it goes. As you see, it's not very difficult, and you can just maybe delete this line. You can just adjust it a little bit here, or maybe here at the center. You can just click done, and then you can make another font, maybe, if you want to, maybe this one, maybe this one. So you can just take your time and then learn how Canva works. So it's not very difficult, just trust me, it's very easy, and you can just take your time and learn all Canva options, how to edit templates, and then you can go to Fiverr again, and then just see which other TikTok video ads gigs are popular right now. And as you see here, I will create within TikTok Facebook video ads. So let's try to see this gig as well. And as I said already, some gigs are quite popular because they have low prices, as you see here. And if you have low prices on your gigs as well, you can also start getting more and more reviews, and then you can raise your price a little bit, because when you want to work less and make more money, just try to raise the prices maybe for $2, for $4, a little bit higher, and then you can just start making money and just creating TikTok video ads. Just believe me, it's very easy, and it's very popular topic, because many corporations need some ads, some video ads, maybe some Facebook ads, some TikTok ads. And if you use Canva, as I told you previously, you can just create some astonishing, some amazing ads using templates. You can just make money with ads. So TikTok is indeed quite a popular tool, and many marketers need regular videos, as I said, to post to their TikTok account. Therefore, your task is to learn how to stand out from the rest of the TikTok video experts on Fiverr by offering colorful videos for TikTok, and then you will be more likely to get a lot of customers from Fiverr. So the next step is proofreading and editing. This service is also one of the most popular on Fiverr. And why so? Because many companies want their copy to look good, and there are writers and other categories of people and companies who constantly need to proofread their texts. You have no idea how popular this service is. So let's try to see some proofreading gigs, and they're all popular. As you see here, this girl, this woman has many positive reviews, and she makes basic proofreading. It's not edited, as you see, it's a proofreading, but it costs too much. So this girl has many orders, and when we scroll down, she was registered quite a while ago, but we go back and we can see some other girls, and as you can see here, editing in 24 hours. So let's try to scroll down a bit. As you see here, 5 orders in queue, and when we scroll down, the girl was registered 2 years ago. 2 years ago, and she has already about 1,000 reviews. Of course, not all people leave reviews, and I can just say maybe she has 2,000 customers, and she earned lots of money. So you can just make such gigs and make money. Of course, there are also subcategories when you can create offers or so-called gigs for writing articles, essays, and other texts. And this is how you can increase your profits on Fiverr. So to become the best expert in this field, I recommend you invest some time to study this profession of proofreader. And those of you who really decided to become an expert in this field, I would recommend you the information that is in the description under this video. So as you can see, making money on Fiverr is very easy, and the main thing is to invest your time in creating gigs, communicating with clients, and of course you need to send the client orders on time. Never delay with an order, because the client needs to receive everything efficiently and quickly, and if you delay over time, then the client may no longer order from you again. Try to be very punctual, and again respond within 48 hours, preferably within 24 hours, but the best way is to be online for 10 hours a day. Think it's impossible? Believe me, those who have 1,000 orders a month on freelance services hardly sleep at all. They constantly earn sitting around the clock online. And of course, I don't urge you to stay online for 10 hours, but still you have a phone with you, and make sure that you see notifications from your customers and at least briefly answer them. This way the client will understand that you are always in touch and you work on his project. If you still have any question, that you can ask them in the comments to this video. I will try to answer them. Also, don't forget to like this video If you really loved it, it will help me a lot to grow my YouTube channel. Thank you again for watching this video to the end, and I wish you a great day.